Hey everyone, I'm popping in with my mantra and the onboarding process. So my mantra is to inspire, engage, and propel. And it goes in alignment with attract and engage and promote, but just putting a little twist. So I plan to share what we do, why we do it, and how we do it. And that process will be first to inspire by sharing my personal story and helping people to see the value of their own health and well-being and that of their families and loved ones and friends. And then through the inspiration process, just really asking them questions, because I think the power of questions is just so vital, because by those questions I can get those answers that will help me to craft a better way of inspiration and also a better way of engaging. So whether or not they are interested in just becoming customers or maybe a business, and what would be their goals for shared business. And then also integrating them at that point into the power of community. We have a friend here. And I think the power of community is what has been one of the most incredible aspects for me personally, because we just continue to engage in continued learning and growing and expanding and sharing with others and being vulnerable, or learning from other people's stories that we can then share as well with permission. And so helping them to understand the value of community and that we are here for one another to uplift and engage and propel. And then next would be engagement by sharing resources. So different types of programs or presentations, and ultimately someday I'll have roots and be able to host some of these gatherings, but for the meantime, mostly online. And then sending out a checklist of homework and very short and concise assignments that I would then check in to see how they're doing, and also daily calls, and that would be voice messages that would just check in, see how they're doing, see how I can support, serving as an accountability partner. So maybe sharing maybe something I did today, and then asking them what they did, and asking them maybe to share a response via voice recording, I think would be a good idea as well. And then just reminding people to celebrate their wins, their big ones and their small ones, and showing them where they can get tools for support. And finally, the propel. So propelling them in their own constant transformation, and then also just becoming better versions of themselves in this community of uplifting one another, and helping them to understand that we are here to propel them in promotions. So setting goals as to where they want to be in the business, and then propelling them in that direction to help launch their business and to just become better business oriented individuals. And I would be learning alongside of them and making that clear that we're in this together. So I'm super excited about the mantra and moving forward in onboarding. Here we go. Let's go.